Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove any connected peripherals. It's also a good idea to work on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing screws or damaging components. Next, locate the screws on the back cover of your HP 15fd0018ns. There are typically 10 screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove each screw and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Make sure to keep track of which screws go where, as some may be longer than others. Once all screws are removed, take your plastic pry tool and gently insert it into the seam of the back cover. Carefully run the pry tool around the edges to release the clips holding the cover in place. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. Once you've released all the clips, lift the back cover off and set it aside. Now that the back cover is removed, you can see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component connected with a cable. Before proceeding, it's essential to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Disconnect the battery by carefully unplugging the connector from the motherboard. Take your time with this step, you don't want to damage the connector. If you find this process challenging, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you need assistance. Next, remove the screws that secure the battery in place. There are typically 2 or 3 screws. Remove these screws and keep them in your container. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws. Now it's time to install the new battery. Align it in the compartment and press it down gently. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the battery in place. Ensure they're tightened but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the battery. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely plugged in. Now, before putting the back cover on, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out dust and debris, especially around the fan and vents. This will help maintain optimal performance. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips click back into place. Reinsert all screws into their respective holes, ensuring they're all tightened securely. If you feel uncomfortable with any part of this process or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel needed. Just schedule a time that works for you, and we'll handle the rest. Once all screws are in place, turn your laptop over, plug it in, and power it on. Verify that the new battery is recognized and functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency in pricing. With that, you've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 15fd0018ns. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.